Okay, so I've just finished building my newest scx10 trail truck kit, the one that just came out. I did it 1.9 this time. It comes with these really cool new ripsaw tires. Look a little different than the flat irons, a little bit better. Use Traxxas big bore shocks all the way around, the long ones, get lots of travel. I painted it up just like the orange on the box. That really caught my eye when I saw it. Use just a regular 27 turn axial motor. Use a 7955 servo. Aluminum linkage. The kit came with the aluminum linkage, but it didn't come with the 4-link aluminum or the 3-link aluminum. Used an FXR receiver, FXR speed control, and then my regular DX3S DSR 300 receiver. Comes with a spur cover this time, which makes it look a heck of a lot better. You'll definitely never lose this thing out in the bush. It's bright comp orange. The new kit comes with actually glue-on rims, but I used the older 1.9 bead locks. Well, hope everybody likes it.